Hi guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. I'll be talking about just a few tips to help new upcoming content creators who want to get to 1K at least within a period of 3 months. Okay, so I started in 2015. Then I was still a student. It was very difficult to blend being a student and being a YouTuber, but I tried to see how to make it come true. If you want to grow your channel to at least 1,000 subscribers, these are the things that you need to do. Do this and come back and thank me later in this comment section. Number one thing, okay, try to see that you are using the right niche. Okay, don't do every and anything on YouTube. You need to know what you actually want to do on YouTube. When you turn on your camera, you have what you want to do. Things have been made easy these days. You don't need to think so much. We have so many apps that can actually help you to streamline topics and give you ideas on what to post. Number 2 is post consistently. So YouTube has shorts, it has long videos, so you need to see how to blend both of them. After finding a niche, start posting consistently. Post if it's 2 times a week, 3 times a week, depending on how well you know you can post or the capacity you know you have to post. Okay, post consistently, appear all the time. Don't post this month, you leave it and come back, you will not like the growth on your page. Number 3 is, if you want to get at least 1,000 subscribers, learn how to cross post, learn how to share your video. When you upload your videos on YouTube, don't just leave it there. Share it to all other platforms that you are actually live on. Invite people to come and watch your videos, and also plead with them to share your videos. Okay, but before you can start pleading with people, listen to tip number 4. Number 4, make sure you are posting value. Value is very important in content creation. If you are not posting things that people can relate with, you're just doing everything, posting everything and anything, people will lose track, as in people will lose interest in coming back to your page. Even if you share it to the topmost pages or whatsoever, they will not consider your page. The last but not the least is collaborations. Okay, when you see other content creators, always engage in other content creators pages. Drop comments, leave your link in their comment section. Okay, and then that way you can actually grow fast. That way, these are the things I did during my time to be where I am now. I'm always cross posting. I post my things on TikTok, I leave comments on people's pages, people interact with me, and that is how I have grown the community to be where it is today. See, you can actually get monetized even with 1K, 2K. You don't need to be 100K. All you need to join the YouTube partnership program is 1,000 subscribers, at least either 4,000 watch hour or 3,000 or 10 million watch hours on shorts. So take note of these tips, and I trust you. I know you're going to do well. Make sure you're also using quality phone. Quality phone. Invest in quality phone and light. These are all the things I need to mention, and I know that you're going to do your best. And take note of this. It's not going to be easy at the beginning. It's going to be very tough. It looks as if it's not moving, but just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. Take your eyes away from the views. All you are doing is you're posting consistently. Your algorithm will pick, and before you know, you are out there. See you at the top. Thank you so much for listening. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.